In this tutorial, we will be downloading, installing, and setting up the latest version of Maven, which is a popular Java dependency management tool for third-party open source Java archives. We will go to the official Maven site and download the Maven zip file for Windows 10. We will unzip it to our C drive, and we will then update all of the relevant Windows 10 environment variables. And finally, we will confirm that Maven has been set up correctly through a Windows 10 command line. Here we are on the Maven homepage. We will go to the download page and we will select binary zip archive, save it. Now we go back to install. So it says ensure that Java home is set and unzip the file. Here we are in our downloads folder. Extract all. We'll put it in our root C drive. And here we are in the C drive with Apache Maven 3.8.1 extracted. We will now update our path environment variable. And we see here that I have an older version, so we will just edit and update to the newer version. Say OK. And now we will confirm it by going to a new DOS command prompt. And that looks good. We now have Apache Maven running in our Windows system. And this concludes this tutorial.